Hi, this is Arush here, and you're watching History Shorts. Firstly, I would like to apologize to our viewers for taking this long a break. I had my exams going on and therefore the delay. So, today I will be speaking about one of the deadliest attacks on Indian soil, an attack which shook the financial capital of India. So, this video will trace the 2008 Mumbai attacks. The 2008 Mumbai attacks were a series of bomb blasts that took place in Mumbai from 26 November 2008 to 28 November 2008. The 2008 Mumbai attacks were organized by the Pakistani based Lashkar-e-Taiba, an extremist Islamist terrorist organization. It all began on the 26th of November 2008 when a group of 10 terrorists from Karachi reached Mumbai via sea and opened fire. They targeted some of the prominent places like the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, the Oberoi Trident, Leopold Cafe, and several other prominent places. By the early morning of 28 November, all sites other than the Taj Hotel had been secured by the Mumbai police. On 29 November, Operation Black Tornado was conducted by the Indian security personnel to gun down the remaining terrorists. The whole city of Mumbai was under siege for nearly 60 hours. An estimated 166 people, including 18 security personnel and several others, were killed in the attack. The then anti-terrorism squad chief Hemant Karkare, Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan, Mumbai's additional police commissioner Ashok Kamte, senior police inspector Vijay Salaskar, and assistant sub-inspector Tukaram Omble were among those who were in the attack. Hemant Karkare, Ashok Kamte, and Vijay Salaskar were killed outside the Kama hospital. This was immediately after the Lashkar terrorists Ajmal Kasab and his partner Ismail fired their police van. They were posthumously awarded the Ashok Chakra on 26 January 2009. Tukaram Omble was killed in action on 26 November by two terrorists who had hijacked a car while Omble and his team were guarding one of the checkposts. Omble stood in front of one of the terrorists and managed to catch hold of one of the rifles, while the others managed to gather around Kasab. Alas, Omble did not survive the shootout. He was killed at point blank range with 40 bullets hitting him from Kasab's rifle. He too was posthumously awarded with the Ashok Chakra on 26 January 2009. Pakistan later condemned the attacks. Ajmal Kasab, the sole survivor, stated that the attackers were part of the Lashkar-e-Taiba. In 2018, former Pakistani Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif suggested that the Pakistani government played a role in the attack. According to the Mumbai police, the Pakistani terror outfit Lashkar-e-Taiba was assisted by the Students' Islamic Movement of India. This very attack was a means of retaliation to the 1992 demolition of the Babri Masjid. In July 2009, Pakistani authorities claimed that Lashkar had plotted and funded these attacks from a camp in Karachi. One of the plotters of this attack, David Headley, was found to have made several trips to India collecting information via videos and GPS on behalf of the plotters. A similar attack was planned on our security forces. Foreign Secretary Harsh Ringla briefed the first set of foreign envoys of Pakistan's involvement in the recent Nagrota terror attack, giving a detailed report on how Islamabad continues to support and fund these kind of terrorist attacks. The Nagrota terror attack was planned on the Jammu-Srinagar highway, now a part of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Pakistan's involvement has emerged yet again, especially in the supply of ammunition and phones. This was the first such attack in the area after the abrogation of the special status under Article 370. The Nagrota terror attack, which was successfully put down by the Indian Special Forces, was carried out by four Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists, another Pakistani terror outfit, all of whom are listed by the United Nations. Sources suggest a Pakistan-China network in this act of terrorism to put greater pressure on India. Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan was also martyred in the attack on 28 November 2008. He was also awarded the Ashok Chakra by the Government of India. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you like the video, make sure to extend your support by pressing the like icon and hitting the subscribe button. Jai Hind.